kids! Today, we are coloring the alphabet LL is for light bulb. Isn't that exciting? Get your markers ready and let's color step by step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun coloring adventures. First, let's color the second stem of the bulb with bright orange. Slowly move your marker from the top to the bottom. Nice and smooth. Orange makes it look warm and glowing. Doesn't it look fun already? If you enjoy this step, type orange in the comments. Now, let's move down to the very bottom stem. Take your yellow marker. Next comes the tiny wire inside the bulb. Use the same bright yellow marker. Slowly trace the little curves and make it glow. This part is so important. Without the wire, the light bulb won't shine. Amazing, right? If you love this step, share this video with your friends. Now, the big glass bulb. Take your yellow marker again and fill it in softly. Don't press too hard. Smooth strokes make it look like the light is glowing for real. Wow, can you see it shining? If you like how bright it looks, hit the subscribe button right now. Great job so far! Now let's make it stand out even more. Take a black marker and carefully trace the outline. Around the bulb, the stem, and the glass, go slowly. Outline makes your drawing bold and clear. Looks amazing, doesn't it? If you're proud of your work, type light bulb in the comments. Now kids, let's say the alphabet together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Yes, L is our letter today. L is for light bulb. Say it with me slowly. L, light, bulb. Great job! You did it perfectly. Thank you for coloring with me. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss our next colorful adventure. Comment below with the word light bulb if you finished your drawing. See you next time, friends!